Hey guys, so today we're going to be building a Lego minigun. So I've got my guy programmed on here, and so yeah, that's really my guy. I have him right here with me, but I don't know. Um, so yeah, you'll need whatever those things are called. I don't know anymore. But we'll need one of these. What are those? You'll need a butt. You'll need that and two of these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if it will let us do something. Guys, I don't even care what color, so no. Just stick that right there and simply just like that. We're gonna stick it in his hand. Just about halfway. So kind of like that. But you also want to do this. You also want to rotate it so it's kind of like that. And so then you want to take your little magical piece right here and stick it out just like that. And next, you're gonna take the rotation thing and then rotation thing and just like that. Just barely like that. And then we're gonna add this on right about there. No. And this one right about there. Then what we're gonna do with this is we're going to take it now. Come on. This. And then we're gonna rotate it. Come on. Oh, we might have to rotate this back. No! There. And we're going to now take this and put it on there. You should have a longer one than this. I don't know why. It's just too short for me. That's the one I use though. And it should be the right size. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna rotate it again. Oh my god. No. This. There we go. No. This thing is really hard to use. It's not the best, but you know, I'll use it. It's not, as I said, it's not the best thing. No! No! It doesn't do that, now does it? Oh god. Yeah, that totally is awesome. No, I don't want it like that. Go back to normal. Thank you. Now when it does that, why? Why can't it? There we go. Thank you, and you're gonna have to tightly squeeze that in like that. There, like that. And you've got your minigun, and that's how you hold it. Thank you. So yeah. So yeah. There's also tons of other guns that I can show you. There's also, let me just set up a guy. Set up a normal guy, just random. I don't even care what I put on him. Oh god. There, mystery guy. So, You can also, I hate everything. No, yes, yes, that should be good. You can also close heads. You can also make a shotgun, which is a pretty simple one. You just need, if I can find it. Hey guys, so yeah, back again. I could not find, oh god, I could not find my stupid mouse. Okay. Okay, sorry. That happens. And if it didn't show, it just kind of glitched out. But yeah. So I know there was no piece that there wasn't a piece that there was not the piece that I used to make the shotgun for the actual Lego, but I know how to make a grappling gun and a portal gun if you're interested in portal. So, or with Batman or something, I don't know, but yeah. So this guy's gonna be grappling, this guy's gonna be portal. So what you need to do is you need to get this guy in the mood. And you just stick that. No, no, no. You need to rotate it. Rotate, rotate, come on. Rotate. Oh, okay. Okay then. And let's rotate the hand. Yeah, there we go. Stick his, make sure he's holding it like that, and then you can rotate this. No! Oh, come on. Okay. And then you can rotate this back and this that way. Then next, you need to place this. You kidding me, right? Okay, you need to place it down in there. No! Oh my god. There, like that. That's the grappling gun. And if you want to actually shoot it, then you want to have some like string and wrap it around this and glue it or something. And then you put the glue right there. And you could do the string and then you could just throw that and stuff like that. And then the portal gun is actually very easy. Fairly easy. You want to take one of these things. I forgot what they're called. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but it's right there. And then you want to take one of these and come on. There we go. There we go. And like this, you want to stick it on the back. Come on. Yeah, no, I don't want that. Yes. And you want to go back over to this thing. Stick it on the back. Like that. And then you want to go over here and you want to take this and you want to do that and then that and opposite way like that, and you want to just stick it on there like that, and then you can color up right here and in there like a black color, and that's really it. So yeah. So I don't know why I'm making that weird voice, but yeah. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, like, subscribe. Sorry, it's like 8:31 in the morning, so I'm kind of actually tired. Not too tired, but yeah. If you're new to my channel, like, subscribe. So yeah. Bye. Bye.